Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie Sylvia. Right now it is Wednesday, Wednesday, February 26th. It is now 8, I don't know if you can see that, I don't know why it's blurry, but yes, it's 8:27, hold on, I don't know why it's blurry, but I did get this new thing right here to hold my phone, so yes, 8:37, 8:27, sorry, 28 now. But anyway, you guys are going to be cleaning with me. My mom is not feeling good today, so you guys are going to be cleaning my living room. This is kind of like a night routine, except it's not mine. It's kind of like a night routine, what we usually do after we eat dinner and stuff. I'm going to show you guys what we had for dinner. So my mom made chicken soup, caldo de pollo. We had all of it. My mom also made some rice too, but we already ate. So, yeah, just that, you know. Doesn't that look so good? It's chicken. So sorry, but the chicken had of course this is chicken soup. So caldo de pollo, I think that's how you call it. Caldo de pollo, which has chicken, of course, vegetables. It's really good if you're sick. My mom is not feeling that well, so I'm going to be a good daughter and help my mom like I always do. And also of course for the clothes. So yes, let's go.
This is what the kitchen looks like now. Sorry I didn't show you guys, but I put all the dishes away and then I'm going to clean this spot right here. Yeah, you guys, I was done. I'm not gonna be doing, I'm gonna put that away. Just make sure that's clean, everything. It is now 9:15, sorry. Excuse me. Let me know what kind of recipes I can make with this. I know you can make sweet potato fries, but let me know what can I make, excuse me, with the sweet potato fries with the, oh hold up, it's over here, sorry. With this air fryer, it's called Oreo. Let me know what kind of recipes I can make. But yeah, the kitchen is semi-clean. Okay. I just have to tackle this, and not trying to show you guys much, and this, and I'm pretty sure this, and I think that's it. And also photos. This is what the table looks like. I never showed you guys, didn't I? No, I haven't. This is what the table looks like. Of course, it's clean right now. This used to be a little bit messy. I just have to put that away. That's the sweet potato, the produce like the bananas, the oranges, and this is what that sink looks like. Right now, I'm going to put the dishes to wash. We have a whole lot of green beans, sorry. We got our air fryer right here, the utensils, the salt, random, I know. Our air fryer, I think it's called Aria, A-R-I-A. My mom made soup, of course she made guys with a bouillon. And then right here, of course, is the rice. Let me show you guys, yeah. And this is what the kitchen looks like. So right now, we're gonna go to the did finish folding the clothes. My phone, my camera didn't have enough storage, so right now I'm going to turn off the light and the TV and stuff like that. I'm actually going to sleep. I just put my PJs, a different shirt, and different PJs anyway. I do hope you guys do enjoy today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm actually recording it